What's up, guys? We got a special present for you today. We are working on a 1987 Haro Sport. Thanks to Rebel Art Design for the decals. We just put those on. They look really nice. And we also have the original Haro handlebars. Those look really nice. They've been powder coated black. We have some Haro forks as well, and these are correct, era correct. They actually fit with the repop folding pegs. So these go on this fork. This is original fork, but these are reproduction fork standers. So let's move on to some other stuff. We have the very rare lineage cranks in chrome. If you're looking for these, we have them on our website in black. We have a black and silver Azumi chain. We have a layback C-post, a Diacomp Hombre brake. We have a team disc. Also, if you're looking for these, we have them on our site. We have these as well. This is a Haro Group 1 stem. 1-inch stem in black. American bottom bracket sealed. 1-inch headset. Tech 77 levers. 2 tubes. Haro grips. White brake cables and white gyro cables. ACS freewheel. Diacomp clamp. Nip-on brake. Fusion pedals. Seat guts. We have some Haro tires. Also, if you're looking for these too, we have them on our site. And last but not least, we have some Skyway mag wheels. Those are going to look really nice too. So this is going to be a really fun build. Make sure to check out some more of our old school builds on our YouTube channel. We'll post them at the end of the video. Let's get to the build. What's up, everybody? We finished up this Haro Sport from 1987. Came out looking super nice. Love the black and the chrome. So I'm going to go through all the parts with you, but first show you some close-ups of the frame. Check out that chrome and then the black paint. Stickers were done by Rebel Art Design. Alright, let's go to the top. So we have Haro team grips, Diacomp Tech 77 levers, white gyro cables, Haro original handlebars, Haro Group 1 1-inch stem, gyro with a 1-inch headset. We have a Diacomp nip-on brake, chrome original Haro forks with the fork standers. These are the reproduction fork standers. Haro tires, HPF tires, Skyway mag wheels. Move to the middle, we have Haro Fusion pedals, Haro Group 1 cranks in chrome and a team sprocket, an Azumi chain. We have some Diacomp Hombre brakes. We have a Diacomp clamp and a Black Ops layback post, Dominator seat, Haro tire on the back, Skyway mag wheel, ACS freewheel. So this one came out looking great. We want to know what you guys think, and check out some more of our Haro Sport builds above. And make sure to let us know your comments, and make sure to like, share, subscribe on this one, and we'll see you soon.